Hey everyone, it's Eric Pelt here with Citywide Home Loans. Thanks for watching my quick Wednesday Mortgage Minute for October 24th. As you can see, I've got a nice background here. It is a listing in the Mapleton Hill area of Boulder, Colorado. And I think you can buy it for something like 10 shekels and 2 donkeys. Pretty good deal. Or it might be 5 million. I don't know. I could be wrong. As you can tell, speaking of money, as you can tell since I'm recording this, I did not win the Mega Millions lottery last night. So here I am. I'm still doing mortgages, and I will be forever here. So let's talk a little bit about CHENOA loans, something you might not be terribly familiar with. CHENOA loans, CHFA loans are well known in Colorado. CHENOA loans are not. And let me give you a quick picture of the kind of person that this might work for. I've been doing a bunch of them this year. CHENOA loans work for somebody who makes too much money for a CHFA loan, because CHFA has income limits, but they don't have a down payment. So, they're great because they're essentially 100% financing. Actually, in some cases, 100.5% financing. So a little bit of closing costs can be absorbed into their loan. There's no geographic limits. They're good for condos and, townhouses and houses and all that great stuff. They're a really pretty awesome deal. If you would like me to write up a report on or see what a CHENOA loan would look like on paper, please contact me. I'd be happy to send you an estimate of what that looks like. Last thing I want to tell you about today is what I do when my clients make an offer on a property. All your other lenders, they might just send over a generic pre-approval letter that's kind of rounded up to the nearest $100,000. No address, just mail that off, whatever. My mortgage pre-approval letters are offer specific. They got the address, they got the exact offer amount, they match the contract, or they match what you're offering on the property. And I call the listing agent and I tell them all sorts of beautiful things about your clients. But here's something that I do in addition to that. I send a BombBomb video, which is a video email, to the listing agent and encourage them to send that BombBomb video to the seller. Okay, I say all sorts of the same things that I did when I talked to the listing agent about how wonderful the buyers are, how qualified they are, what a great lender I am, all that great stuff. But these videos that get sent to the listing agent and forwarded onto the seller, they do make a difference. I had a deal just on Monday to this week where there were 2 offers. They were almost exactly the same price. The listing agent said it came down to like $150. But the other transaction, the lender never called. They didn't send the video. The pre-approval letter was somewhat generic. It was from a reputable bank, but it was somewhat generic. And that side of the transaction, they just didn't look as organized. And so if you're looking for somebody that is presents an organized offer and looks like a teammate for you, where everything is matchy-matchy, give me a call. I would love to be that person. I do think who you choose for a mortgage does matter. I can get people into houses more reliably than some other lenders. And then there's proof. So have a great week, and we'll talk to you again soon. Thanks.